Very good evening, traders. I'm Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. Market gap down and continued its down move till 250. There was no respite. You can see I'm purposely on the hourly chart. You can see continuous 5 hours of trade. Market went down. And in the last hour, around 2:15, let me go back. This is exactly 2:35. The market started reversing and finally closed around 24,632. By the time the option premium decayed and became zero, 24,800, 24,700 call option and 24,600 call option all became zero. The value became zero and market went down. There was no respite actually. This was intentionally done. Market went sideways, slow grind down to this level. Finally, it took support. By the end of the day, around 2:35, some sort of reversal you are seen in the market up to the level of 1020 high, that is 24,635. Indicating reversal, we need to see what will happen in the market. So if we take the tool volume profile and apply this, we are getting value area high to be here. And if we apply the volume profile over here, the value area low is there and high volume node is present over in the market over here. The market may find resistance around this level initially, that is around 24,710, and may reverse and may continue downwards, or otherwise this may be the support, or it can come down and retest these levels to spend time. Tomorrow is Friday, so anything can happen. So the immediate resistance high volume node area is around 24,680. And based on the India VIX, I've calculated the levels. These are the levels: 24,387 on the lower side and 24,832 on the upper side. These are the two VIX levels, option writer level, you can say option writer level, and weekly high to be 25,199 and weekly low to be 24,090. So tomorrow is the last day of the week, Friday. We need to see what sort of closing Friday will give in the market. Whether it will be a range-bound type of movement or whether it will the trend will continue downwards. We need to carefully watch in the market. If I go to the hourly chart, the trend, strong trend started from here. That is on Thursday, 9:15 p.m. The market made a low of 24,494 and today's low was 24,462. The difference is on that day, there was huge rally after taking the support. In the first hour itself, market took support. The second hour, reversal started coming in the market. But here, the difference is market continued to sell off only in the last hour, around 2:35. Market has shown some sort of reversal in the market. We need to see whether This is the breakout area, breakout level, that is 24,583. And market has closed above this level, 24, and it has swept the liquidity over here. Since it has swept the liquidity over here, I am hopeful that any retest or reversal holding this level may act as a support, and a reversal can come in the market. The market may try to reverse in the market. So you note down all the levels, 25,199 to 24,832, 24,387 and 24,090. These are the levels you need to watch in the market. Here also same type of pattern you are seeing over here in this cluster. The market rallied and made a low almost to the low of this area. Even here also it has made almost to the low of this area. We need to see if a reversal comes, then we may see strong reversal towards the 25,199 in the next week. Coming week, we can anticipate and hope for a rally in the market. Coming to the Bank Nifty is placed. And let me hide this indicator. Bank Nifty is, the price action on the Bank Nifty is better placed, and it has tried to retest this level. It has fallen down. Let me mark this level. It has tried to retest this level. Fill the gap. It has filled the gap. That doesn't mean that it is going to reverse immediately. Probably it might have filled the gap and may face resistance. Let me apply the volume profile over here. If I apply the volume profile, I'm not able to pick it up. Anyway, see, point of control is over here and the resistance is over here. From here, the price in this area, from the point of control, the price has been accepted and moved higher. Probably market may face some sort of resistance around this area and may try to retrace back. And if you see, it's not plotting the high volume nodes. See, this is the high volume cluster nodes. Probably market, if it faces resistance, it can come and retest this level. So in Bank Nifty, for the Bank Nifty, note down first resistance we are noting down at 55,437 and first support is 54,444. And it has come down to, Bank Nifty has come down to this level, around this level, beneath this liquidity level, exactly around this level. That is an order block over here, and taken support and reversed. We need to see whether it is a reversal. Still, we cannot say it is a reversal because it is lower high, and even this is also lower high. Even if I apply the trend line, this is not going to change. Only if it crosses 55,102, then a reversal trade can be anticipated in the market to the level of 55,356. So note down all these levels on your chart so that it may help as guideline for your trade. Tomorrow trade may be in Nifty may be sideways, can form a sideways market, and it can go up to this level and return back. Some sort of rotation can take place in the market, I don't see any directional move immediately. It may rotate, go up, and it may finish off the game around this level. If it's try to fill this gap, market, if it tries to fill this gap, because this is a gap which is an area gap, it can fill because the market has started within the area of the previous day. That's why it is an area gap we can anticipate for filling of this gap to 24,000. Market can rally up to 24,832. That is the week's level. So you carefully watch the price action. Any retest can be seen as a buying opportunity. There is possibility of market rallying up to 24,832 if it holds this level. And the reason for holding this level, because of the liquidity grab, market has grabbed, smart money has grabbed the liquidity. That's why I'm little bit bullish on the market. You can anticipate for this type of price action in the market. Anyway, the market will tell you, the opening auction will tell you what the direction will be there. If the initial trend is down and retest, then you can look for a buying opportunity in the market. Thank you very much, friends. Nanakshi Swami signing off.